Decoding synonyms through context clues. A deep dive. Hello, and welcome back to our Advanced Vocabulary series. Today, we'll be exploring an exciting aspect of language learning: synonyms. More specifically, we're going to discover how we can use context clues to identify synonyms in any text we read or conversation we hear. This skill can vastly enhance your vocabulary and comprehension. So, let's jump right into it. Synonyms are words that have the same or very similar meanings. For instance, happy, joyful, elated. All these words essentially mean the same thing. They convey a state of positive emotion. Synonyms are a fantastic way to add variety to your language and make your speech or writing more engaging. However, identifying them can be a bit tricky, which is why we're going to learn about context clues. Context clues are hints that an author or speaker gives to help define a difficult or unusual word. They can also be used to identify synonyms. These clues can appear in the same sentence or in the sentences surrounding the unknown word. There are several types of context clues, including definition clues where the meaning of the word is given in the sentence itself, example clues where examples are provided to help understand the word, and contrast antonym clues where a word or phrase contrasting the unknown word is used. So, how do we use context clues to identify synonyms? Let's dive deeper. Let's consider an example sentence. The dog was so ebullient, so full of joy and energy, that he leapt up and down every time he saw his owner. In this sentence, we have the unknown word, ebullient. However, using the context clues, full of joy and energy, we can determine that ebullient is a synonym for joyful or energetic. That's context clues in action. The key to using context clues effectively is to pay attention to the surrounding information. Keep an eye out for any details, examples, or additional descriptors that might help you infer the meaning of the word and its potential synonyms. Now, it's your turn. Practice reading various texts and look for unknown words. Try to identify their synonyms using context clues. You can do this with books, news articles, or even song lyrics. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. And there you have it. You're now equipped with a powerful tool to help you identify synonyms and boost your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take gets you closer to your goal. We hope this video has been helpful and illuminating. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next session, where we continue to explore the fascinating world of advanced vocabulary. Happy learning!